Who else is taking classes and could really use a drink? Hello, and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. I'm taking 3 classes in my quest for lifelong learning, which is exciting, but a trifle daunting. Good thing we have cocktails and bar bites to alleviate the pressure. It's time for a higher education happy hour. Imbibing while studying is not the way to success, but here's a lovely libation for when you have no class. I call it no class. To make it, all you do is combine 1½ ounces of tequila and 3/4 of an ounce cherry cordial in a pint glass. Fill with chilled Sam Adams coffee black lager and stir gently.
Chug, 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 chug. Woo!
Here's an easy sandwich to pack into your lunchbox to keep your energy up for studying while lining your stomach for more beer later. To make it, all you do is combine 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon crushed pineapple, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger, a dash of salt, and a dash of sriracha sauce, and spread on your favorite bread, spreading apricot preserves on the other slice. I feel smarter already. The best part about taking classes as an adult, aside from the after-school happy hours, is the fact that you won't get detention, be kept after school, or made to feel like an idiot if you get the wrong answers. And if you do suffer any of those indignities, you can just transfer yourself into another class. The only one signing your report cards is you, so have fun learning new skills and creating new opportunities for yourself.
Go State!
Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to visit our Facebook page for lovely libations, liquored up live broadcasts, and more. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.
See ya soon!